I just purchased this 3-pack of soft lipstick by Kiss Matte. So let's try it out. So what I really like about it is that it is adjustable. So all you have to do is twist it, and as you can see, it can go out. So this is a lip liner plus lipstick. So let's try it out. So it really is gliding on easily. Perfect. So this is the lip liner, and now I'm going to fill it in. Perfect. Smells good too. So this is what it looks like in this color. And now let me put it on my hand so you can see the other colors. So this is what the colors look like, and can't wait to try them all. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.